What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. 2017, 18, 19 Toyota RAV4. Need to replace a engine air filter. This is a good video. I am going to be doing another video on a cabin filter. The part number for that one is this. Engine filter is right here. So something like this you should change every about 15 to 20,000 miles, and even if it's clean after that, I would change it because there's a lot of stuff in there that can block the filter that you won't see. So very easy. You take your hand, you pull this clip back and pull this clip back. There's two little arms just like this right here over there, and they come right out just like that. Sometimes they don't come out because you just lift it up, but if they do come out, you're gonna have to get those back in. So this guy comes right out just like that. So this wasn't so bad, but it's gotta go. So the new filter, you also want to check in there if there's any leaves and dirt and everything. You want to clean that out, but this is pretty clean in there. So very simple and easy. I'm doing this with one hand, guys. So I'm gonna hold this up and I'm gonna get this filter in there. How am I gonna do this with one hand? Oh, there you go. The filter did itself. So it sits in there nice and flush. So this longer side goes down, facing down. Make sure it's good everywhere. And then in the back, you want to get the two arms in, two little notches. And if they're not in, this is not gonna line. Once it's in, this thing snaps right in, just like that. Bada bing, bada boom. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. See you guys on the next one.